All right, I'm doing this video. I've left um, I left a good review back in 2019 when I bought two of Qidi 3D printers. Bought an X Max and an X Plus, and since then I've added more of their equipment, and I just would like to leave a video update on it. Um, there's an X Plus. Uh, that one is going on 4 years old. There's a brand new one that just came today. Here I have two of their X Maxes, and here are two more of the X Pluses, and I actually have two more coming from Amazon. So they've really done a wonderful job with the 2 series. They already had a good printer. But they've added the filament out sensor, which works perfectly. A really nice better bed that works great. Comes with a high temp extruder and a normal temp extruder. The normal temp goes up to around 230, I believe, and then the other one goes up to 300. The bed goes up to 110. I print PETG for my business. That's the main thing, and you can see if you look at this. This is beautiful. Very happy with it, and these products sell very well. I probably have got probably close to 2,500 of these cases in use now. And so yeah, that's what I kind of wanted to do. I'm going to update everything and give them a better review than what I left them in the first place. But I really am very, very happy with these machines. Very happy with them. I do keep I do keep my filament in boxes. Parts of the time of the year I don't need them, but other parts I do. So anyway, that's it. And thanks again, QIDI. I'm gonna say it, but I can't say it, so I'll have to say it that way. Thank you again.